Does your pump sound like it's pumping gravel or rocks? Do you know why your pump has pressure but is still being destroyed from the inside? Are you sure your pump is not cavitating? This is called cavitation, and the culprit is usually a bad NPSH calculation. Today we calculate the available NPSH for a suction system. We have a pump drawing water from a tank 3 meters below. PVC pipe, 8 meters long, 75 millimeters in diameter, with a flow rate of 10 liters per second. The installation includes a foot valve, a 90-degree elbow, and a contraction at the pump inlet. We enter the data into the app: length, flow rate, diameter, material, water temperature, altitude, and suction head. The available NPSH is the atmospheric pressure minus the suction head, minus friction losses, minus minor losses, minus the vapor pressure of water. If the available value is less than the required by the pump, there is a risk of cavitation. Let's substitute. At 500 meters altitude, the atmospheric pressure equals 9.74 meters. The vapor pressure at 25 degrees is 0.32 meters. The friction loss gives 0.47 meters. The minor losses, dominated by the foot valve with K equal to 10, add up to 2.93 meters. Available NPSH, 2.52 meters. On the suction side, minor losses are critical. The foot valve with its K of 10 represents 89% of the total K. Every meter of loss directly reduces the available NPSH. Final result: 2.52 meters of available NPSH. This value must be greater than the required NPSH of the pump, which typically ranges between 1 and 3 meters for centrifugal pumps. If it's not met, the pump cavitates. Find the app on the app stores. Hydraulics in depth. Transparent blue water.